Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a wise old man named Master Wei. He was known far and wide for his profound wisdom and kind heart. People from all walks of life sought his guidance, and he never turned anyone away. One day, a troubled young man named Liang approached Master Wei, his face etched with sorrow. "Master Wei," he began, "I have searched far and wide for happiness, but it always seems to elude me. What must I do to find true and lasting happiness?" Master Wei smiled warmly at Liang, his eyes twinkling with wisdom. "Ah, my dear Liang," he said, "happiness is a pursuit that many chase but few truly understand. Let me share with you a lesson passed down through generations." He gestured for Liang to sit beside him, and the young man eagerly obliged. Master Wei continued, "If you want happiness for an hour, take a nap. Allow yourself the simple pleasure of rest and rejuvenation. Sometimes in the midst of our busy lives, we forget the importance of self-care and finding moments of stillness." Liang nodded, intrigued by the simplicity of the first step. He listened intently as Master Wei went on. "If you want happiness for a day, go fishing, cast your worries aside, and immerse yourself in nature's embrace. In the tranquility of a serene river or a calm lake, you'll find solace and a chance to reconnect with the world around you." Liang's eyes brightened with newfound hope. "But what if I seek happiness that lasts longer?" he asked. Master Wei's smile deepened, and he placed a gentle hand on Liang's shoulder. "Ah, my young friend, if you seek happiness for a year, inherit a fortune. Yet, wealth alone cannot bring true contentment. It is what you do with that fortune that truly matters. Use it to make a positive difference in the lives of others, for there lies the key to lasting happiness." Liang pondered these words, feeling a sense of purpose awakening within him. "And what about happiness for a lifetime?" he asked, his voice filled with anticipation. Master Wei's eyes sparkled with joy as he replied, "For happiness that spans a lifetime, my dear Liang, help someone else. Dedicate your life to acts of kindness and compassion. Touch the lives of others, for in doing so, you will not only bring happiness to their hearts, but also find an unending wellspring of joy within your own."